Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel.
You already know that Binance has thousands of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin that you can invest in and make money. But maybe you don't know how to sign up and make a Binance account, what the best cryptocurrencies are to profit cryptocurrency bull run, and the easiest and fastest way to know when to sell before the next crash. You can do this without any experience. You can know this without knowing how to read candlesticks. You can do this without doing any technical analysis or day trading. Also, if you stay to the end of this video, I'll give you a template that you can download for free that you can use to make this a lot easier and faster for you if you want to make the most amount of money. Number 1, go to Binance.com. All you need to do is click on register now, agree to the terms of service, and create your account. Now just drag this puzzle piece over here. Go to your email and copy this code and paste it right in here. Now you can get started with your crypto journey. You can either deposit crypto to start trading, buy crypto with your credit card, or buy crypto using Binance P2P. If you've never done any of this before, click on buy with credit card. Now you need to select your country and click on start. Enter your basic info and then submit and continue. Step number 2, buy Bitcoin. Immediately, you can start buying crypto with your fiat currency. However, the cap is up to $300. If you want to do, for example, $1,000, you need to increase the limit. You can do this very simply by uploading a photo of your ID card, passport, or driver's license. Now you can buy up to 5,000 USD worth of Bitcoin. So let's put 5,000 in here and click on new card, and then you can buy Bitcoin. Enter your credit card, your address, and then click on pay now. If you just want to buy and hold Bitcoin, you just did that. But if you want to buy other coins like Ethereum, Binance Coin, and all of these other really cool cryptocurrencies, you need to make a portfolio. And the reason for that is that you will make more money if you have a higher risk portfolio. You'll make less money if you have a low risk portfolio. So depending on your risk level, you can choose what you want to do. This is a template I made for you that you can download for free in the link in the description. All you need to do, click on file, click on make a copy, and then you can change all the different numbers. Step number 1, add USD in portfolio and today's Bitcoin price. Just click right here and then add how much you just spent into Binance. Now you can see estimate of how much Bitcoin you actually got in your portfolio. Step number 2, choose your risk profile. Here you can see the percentage of your portfolio that you want to have in high cap, which is rank 1 to 50, medium cap, rank 50 to 150, and small cap below 150. The way you find rank is to go to coinmarketcap.com, and here you can see Bitcoin is rank number 1, Ethereum rank number 2, and so forth. So if you want to be safe, you go 50% in the high cap, you go 25% in the medium cap, and 25% in the small caps. If you want to have a higher risk portfolio, you can put 50 right here, and then you can put 25 in here, and you will have more small cap coins, which in turn will give you higher rewards, but also higher risk. This is how my portfolio looks right now. As you can see, I have set myself a 70, 20, 10 risk portfolio, and this is because it takes very little maintenance. My time is way better spent doing different things than sitting around day trading like a monkey. And the fact is that most day traders lose money. So if I see that this number is over 10, I know that I need to sell some of this and redistribute it over to the high cap coins. This allows me to only check the markets every week, every month, and then I redistribute my portfolio when it doesn't match my risk profile. As an example, I bought some of this coin right here, which has an extremely low market cap. In 3 days, I was able to double my money from that trade and redistribute it over to the high cap coins. Step number 3, add the coins you want to buy. I recommend going online, searching up a few of these different coins, looking at what they're actually doing, and then you can just put it directly in here. Then you just grab this box, get it down here, and then you just select the number of coins you have in high cap. And as you can see, this is how much Bitcoin you should put into these coin. This is a small cap coin, and as you can see, it's rank 677. So let's, for example, say we add OVR in here, plop it right in here. Then you have 3 number of coins, and this is how much Bitcoin you want to spend on OVR. Now, the main key I want you to get away from actually buying a coin is you should buy it when it's low. You should buy it when it's cheap. If you ever buy when it's going up like this and you buy on the peak here,
not smart.
But if it has gone down over time and you know that it's a good coin, you know that you like the project and the team and you think it can go up, then you buy the dip. For example, a lot of friends ask me if I wanted to buy Dogecoin now because Elon Musk is talking about it. You can see it's gone up over 500% the last 14 days, 370% the last 7 days, which means this is the worst buy you can do right now. You're too late. But if it went down like this, just as fast as it went up, that's when you want to buy. For example, this is Litecoin. As you can see, you want to buy it when it's super low. This is a great entry zone because what happened when it reached that price before is that it went up to the moon. So to me, Litecoin right now looks like a great buy. So I did actually put a little bag into Litecoin recently. So if, for example, Litecoin goes up like this and it hits the exit zone, and I know that it can go down and then it can go up even more, well, I am going to sell at this point and redistribute it in accordance with how my portfolio looks like. Step number 4, buy the cryptocurrencies. So now that you have a beautiful portfolio, you know exactly what you want to buy. You just go into trade right here, and I like to click on advanced. It's not that advanced actually, and it looks a lot nicer, and it's actually pretty easy to use. So now you know you need to buy 0.0146 Ethereum to have this portfolio. So we're gonna copy this number right here, then go to Binance and click in the top left. Here you can search all the market pairings that are on Binance. But what you should do is click on the search icon, search ETH BTC. Here you have the ETH BTC pairing. If you want to buy it right now, you can click on limit and then paste the total BTC you want to buy into the total. As you can see, it will calculate that is 0.377 ETH. Now go over to the market tab, then click on amount right here and paste how much ETH you want to buy. Then all you need to do is click on buy ETH. And then you go back to portfolio again, and you can see that you need 0.0109 mana. Copy that number, search mana BTC, paste the total BTC, that's 501 mana, go to market, click on amount, paste it in here, and then click on buy mana. Now that you bought all the coins that you want, you can click on wallet, and then you can click on fiat and spot, and here you can see all the different coins you have. Now, don't buy the coins that I have just because I have them. I am not an expert. I learned everything I know about crypto from people that are smarter than me in the crypto space. Just don't go into this blind. You will lose a lot of money and it will be a lot of emotional pain. So I recommend you check out the first link in the description, because here will show you the top 3 coins that you should definitely hold in 2021, as well as how to analyze, how to find the best coins, when to sell, when to buy, and all of that stuff. So click the link in the description down below. And I don't know if you need to learn more about crypto now before you spend your hard-earned money, but that's at least a little tiny link in the description if you want to check that out. Also, if you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face, you can tap some of the videos on the screen right now. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the link in the description, or watch the videos on the screen right now, and I'll see you in the next one.